In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a contact poster on your iPhone that you created and set for a particular contact. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Phone app, then tap right here to go to Contacts. Then you can use search to search for a particular contact in that way. And here if we tap Add Edit at the top right and then Add Edit under the contact poster, we'll find all the contact posters we've created for that particular user. The first one is actually the current one. We'll see that contact poster when they will call us. And also here we got previous versions of contact poster for that user, and from here if we wanna delete some, all we have to do is just swipe up and hit trash bin and then hit delete. In the same way we can remove another contact posters here. If you would like to remove the last one, you are not able to do so. As you can see, it doesn't show me a trash bin here. That's why before deleting the last one, we need to create a new poster here. To do that, just swipe to the left, hit Add Create New, then Create New Poster, and once it is saved, you will be able to remove a previous one from here in the same way. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.